Hey guys, so this is a live that I did not plan, but I want to go ahead and talk to you guys, and whoever catch it on the live stream will catch it on the live stream, on the replay. But I just wanted to jump on and kind of talk to you guys real quick about a lot of stuff that is coming my way here at the farmers market, and it is starting to concern me how people just get on the bandwagon of what's going on. Anybody that throws out a blog and just says certain things that are good for your skin, and you guys or whoever's doing it will just automatically think that that's the right thing for their skin without really taking the time to assess what the recommendations are. Everybody's skin is different, and because everybody's skin is different, you have to take the time to look at what it is that you may be interested in it. Google, research, and don't just research from one person. Take the time and compare with other people, because there is a lot of misinformation on the net. I mean, anybody can post something on the net now, so that doesn't go through any rules or any approval or any process to say that, okay, what that person is saying is correct and what this person is saying is incorrect. So you really have to take time to understand yourself and your skin. You have to take time to be an advocate for your skin, just like you need to be an advocate for your health. There's a lot of times people go to the doctor and the doctor's not necessarily giving them the right information 100% of the time, especially when it comes to connecting the body and your eating habits. A lot of doctors, especially Western doctors, you guys know I'm going to school for TCM. So TCM, that's traditional Chinese medicine that's been out way, tons of years longer than Western medicine. So with TCM and traditional Chinese medicine, they're looking at your whole body, your mind and your body, your spirit, everything that's going on. You're being assessed on what's gone in the past, when stuff has happened, what triggered what. Like, they're looking at the whole body. Whereas I'm sorry, I messed it up. That was Eastern medicine. Western medicine, you go in and if it's an eye problem, they're looking at your eyes. If it's a ear problem, they're looking at your ears. If it's a throat problem, they're looking at your throat. They're not looking at the full picture. And that's the same thing that you have to keep in mind. Hi guys, this is a real quick live stream. I didn't even announce it. Thank God for replays. People will catch it on a replay. But I just wanted to jump on for a few minutes to kind of talk. So thank you for joining me. But as I was saying, with Western and Eastern medicine, the approaches are different. And that's the same thing I'm seeing. That's the same thing I'm seeing with people in their skin. Something will jump off activated charcoal. Here's an example, activated charcoal. There's all the craze of activated charcoal, and let's put activated charcoal on our skin, and this whole mask, we're using activated charcoal and glue. Elmer's glue that you buy in school. First of all, Elmer's glue, you have no clue what the ingredients are. And here people are mixing that mask with activated charcoal, pulling it on their skin, letting it dry. When they peel their skin, yes, you are taking out the blackheads or whiteheads or whatever's on your skin, but you're also taking off some of your skin. So people will end up very irritated with a bad rash, and their skin looks jacked up from something that they did not think through. So while it is amazing that people will put something out there and everybody jumps on the bandwagon, before you jump on the bandwagon, take some time to understand what you're jumping into. If your skin is dry, the last thing you want to put on your skin is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal, out of all the clays, the basic normal clays that everybody knows about, it's very drying, it's very detoxing. So when it's detoxing your skin, it's going in deep. If you have dry skin, that is not the clay that you want to use. If you have dry skin, you want to go with rose clay, bentonite clay, and if you have sensitive skin, you want to go with rose clay or the red clays. Red, what happens when your skin is sensitive? It's red. What are rose clays? Rose clays are calming. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm here at the farmer's market, so if you hear any background noise, I apologize. Yes, you have to do your own research. So before jumping on the bandwagon, figure out what your skin type is first, because if you don't know your skin type, you don't know how to feed your skin. And I actually have a free ebook called 10 Tips to understanding your skin. And it's very simple. You go to the link in my bio, you put in your email address, and you get the free book. And that's the first step that you take for your skin food journey. Know what your skin type is, so that when the next famous person throws out some YouTube channel and says to go do something to your skin, then you know, hey, you know what? I have dry skin. That's not the best thing for me. Let me do what this person said, because they're covering a topic for dry skin. Take the time to understand your skin type. I had a person that I consulted with on Instagram this week. She was one of the ones that used the coconut oil on her skin. She heard about coconut oil being amazing. She went and used it, but her skin was already a sensitive type skin. She was already prone to acne. She was already prone to large pores. She was already prone to trouble and irritated skin. She went and put coconut oil, thinking she was doing something good, kept putting it, and her skin broke out completely. And she never realized that it was the coconut oil that was messing up her skin until she started watching my live streams. And of course, I talk about the coconut oil several times in my live stream. Once she stopped using the coconut oil, then she realized that's the coconut oil that was triggering her skin. So my message today, guys, take the time to understand your skin type. And before you jump on the bandwagon, just like you wouldn't just go buy any car because somebody told you to buy it, you're going to do your research, you're going to compare. Just like you're not going to just buy a house because somebody buys it, you're going to do your research, you're going to compare. The same thing that comes with your skin. Your skin is the first thing that people see. That is your resume. Besides your paper and your website, if you have a business, your skin is the first thing that people see. So you definitely want to take time and research what you put on your skin to make sure you put the appropriate things on your skin and you don't jack up your skin. I'm going to go ahead and close my live stream. Again, this was an impromptu. I just see so much happening at the farmer's market and people just putting things on their skin that doesn't go with their skin. There's a lot. Listen, I was one of the new ones that started my natural care business. I didn't know about skin. I didn't know about products. I threw stuff together and started selling until I took the time to really research and understand skin and understand what works for people's body. So I applaud everybody and all the new skincare products that are popping up. But at the same time, guys, take the time to understand what you're putting in your products to sell to other people. That is their life that you're putting in your hand. So when you're selling a product to them and it's not working for their skin, or even worse, makes it worse, they come after you. So this is for the skincare companies that are the little small mom and pops. I'm still a mom and pop, so I'm not acting like I'm any higher. But the only difference is I've truly taken the time to understand the skin and become passionate about it. There's a difference when you're passionate about somebody's skin and you're trying to make a buck. You don't want to make a buck on somebody else's terms. So take some time to understand the skin. You can make amazing products and understand the skin at the same time. And consumers, before you buy, take time to understand what you're buying. Take the frustration out of spending tons of money on products that don't work on your skin. Because one, you don't understand your skin type, and two, the person that you're buying it from doesn't understand your skin type either. They're just making products. So take some time. Invest in your skin. I'm sorry, this is shaky. Invest in your skin just like you would invest time on everything else. Let me just read this question real quick. And again, I'm sorry, this is shaky. This was a last minute. Let me jump on and talk to you guys, so I'm sorry. You can use bentonite clay once a week, but if your skin is very, very dry, make sure you mix it up with something that is very hydrating. Like you can mix it up with honey. You can mix it up with a softer clay, like a rose clay. Bentonite clay, there's three main clays for me that I love. Rose clay, which is the lightest, it's the less toxic, and it's for sensitive skin. Bentonite is in the middle for people that have oily, acne, and dry skin. It's perfect combination. And then activated charcoal, which is really, really strong, and it's very good for people with oily skin. Now, if you understand how to put products together, you can mix those three clays, but you use different sizes and mix it according to your skin type. So let's say if I wanted to put a little activated charcoal in somebody's mask, but they have dry skin, I would put just a tiny bit. I would not put a lot. So again, there's so much you can do when it comes to doing it yourself at home when it comes to your skincare regimen. But if you don't know what ingredients you're using, you don't understand the ingredients you're using, and you don't understand your skin type, you can mess up your skin. Guys, as I always tell you, I'm your virtual skin therapist. If you have any questions regarding skincare, you're welcome. Always take the time to join my Skinfood journey live streams on Wednesdays. You know I have Mask Off Mondays on Mondays, obviously, but the times I'm still working on. So I always announce my classes, my skin classes on Instagram. Take the time and check it out, or you're always more than welcome to catch the replay. Again, go get your free ebook and start understanding your skin type so you can get on the journey, your Skinfood journey. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.